What a storm, folks. What a storm indeed. Welcome back to GBL, the Old Church, 5-acre homestead, and I'm Mr. Garry. A special welcome to my fellow Canadian citizens this morning and to friends of Canada from all around the world. If you respect Canada as a sovereign country, then this channel is for you. If you don't, take a hike and go someplace else. We're going to explore the most recent snowstorm that hit the homestead right here in this video, folks. So don't you go away. Stay with Mr. Garry and stay with GBL, the Old Church, 5-acre homestead. We've got lots of snow to clear away, and you're welcome to come along with me and Clementine. Perfect timing, folks, perfect timing. The plow is just going down Church Road, and Mr. Garry is getting ready now, to clear away the snow. This is the snow that has, well, I was going to say accumulated in front of the garage or in front of the new barn, but most of it has been plowed up by that plow that you just saw going by. There's Miss Betty's Kia. It's all plowed in with banks of snow that I'm going to clear away very, very shortly with Clementine. Freebie is all plowed in too, all covered in with lots and lots of snow. There is a full snowbank right in front of Freebie, so I've got to clear that away too. My first task is to clear away the front of the new barn and a section over here by the garbage containers and my open trailer. I think I'm going to clear away this place right here and then try to get Freebie over here for the day, for part of the day anyway, while I continue to clear up most of this snow from this massive storm that struck the Old Church 5-acre homestead this past couple of days. We weren't able to get outside to do anything really, so we were stuck inside the Old Church. But today I'm out, it's a nice morning, and I'm going to clear away, as I said, lots and lots of this snow. And for that task, Miss Clementine is up to the job. She's going to earn her keep today, I can tell you that. I'm still going to get her started. I have my gloves there at the ready. I have my key in my pocket. And here's the key to Clementine, folks. You can see it right there on the bonnet. Let's get this show on the road, and let's start cleaning up some snow today. Myself and Clementine, we've been at the snow now for about an hour. I'm going to show you what I've got done and what I still have to get cleared away. I have been focusing and concentrating on clearing away in front of the new barn, folks, and I think I've got a pretty decent job done. I'm going to take out Freebie very, very soon, so I've made a place. And excuse the wind, it's still quite windy here today. I've made a place over here where I think I can get Freebie back there safely, and I might have to move the trailer and the garbage containers a little bit, but I can get the truck in there, and then I can focus on cleaning up the path or the driveway where Freebie is currently parked. I've got to move that big bank of snow at the back of her first, though. Clementine is doing a great job, folks. She's doing a great job indeed. I have a bucket full of snow now that I'm going to take over there. I have Freebie almost out of its parking spot right here in the driveway next to the old church. I'm going to take her out now because I'm getting a little bit too close to her, and I'm afraid I might strike her with the bucket on Clementine. So I don't want to do that. So I'm going to take her out. I'm going to park her over there somewhere or in front of the new garage or the new barn. I'll do that, and then I'll finish cleaning up where the truck is, and then I still have this Betty's Kia. I got to finish cleaning up in that area as well. All right, let me get inside of Freebie here, and I'm going to park her over by. I'm going to park the truck over by the new barn. So let's do that. Key in the ignition there now, Mr. Garry. Okay, back up here, no problem. Got it all cleared away here now. And there we go. Now, let me park the truck right here in front of the new barn. Now, this is a good safe spot for her. Here we go. So Clementine has done a great job getting in around the car as close as she could, with my help, of course. And we're not too bad. We'll get this one out now. I've got my driveway, or Freebie's driveway, all cleared away. I'll move the Kia down there. Freebie is okay where she's due right now. There's Clementine. So I'm going to move the Kia and then finish cleaning up around here. Now, I want to show you something. I want to show you this. I have to clear up back there too. That's how we bring our wood into the woods room. So there's quite a bank of snow there, probably about 3 or 4 feet. So I've got to get that out of there too. Hi folks, I'm still at the snow. Some 4 hours later now, and we're still not done. I'm back here now behind the church where we keep our wood and where we have our woods room. Let me show you in detail. So there's Clementine already with a bucket of snow, ready to take over to the other side of the road there. Still lots and lots of snow back here. Just look at all of this. I'm standing here now. That snow is up about 4 feet. It's up to the height of that fence anyway, as you can see right there. Over this way, there's that heat pump that we had installed just a couple of weeks ago. I got to get all of that snow out of there somehow. I don't know if Clementine is going to get back here. I'm hoping I can get back here with her and get that snow all cleared away there. I might have to push it back by the generator shed somewhere back there. But anyway, quite the snow experience, quite the winter storm here in the middle of February, folks. Here at the old church, 5-acre homestead. There's the old cemetery, folks. I wonder what they're all thinking about all of this snow. Anyway, I said, folks, at the top of this video that I am indeed a very, very proud Canadian. And I hope you are a friend of Canada as well. And that you do respect Canada as a sovereign, independent nation, an independent country, all completely on our own. So, folks, if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. Please subscribe. And, folks, you have a blessed Sunday. And we'll see you in another video very, very soon. Take care, folks, and God bless. Long live Canada.